guys, what's up? We're probably riding tomorrow. I'm sure you guys know in my classroom, but anyway, so I'm just going to give a short review on me and Tanner's bikes real quick. I gave you how to start mine. I did add a few features to it. B&A Cycle Center, go check them out on Facebook. They are great. They sold my bike they sold me my bike for a low price. And he fixed this bike out very good, so go check them out. And so, here's the phone number. 9903 30321. Okay. Anyway, I got another sticker. I added a lift strap to move it out of stressful situations. I also added a flashlight. Fixed that little tear on the grip right there is still there. I added an American flag, of course, because America. And on the Tanner's bike. Those are bicycles. That's my mom's. Which my mom's gonna ride probably. I don't know. Okay, Tanner's bike is pretty new. We got it for Christmas time. Got a pretty good suspension. Same, if you haven't seen how to start up that thing yet, go check that out. And Tanner hasn't really modded it at all. Or add accessories to it. I want to get some brush guards right here. But anyway, he's got a flashlight holder. He hasn't got a flashlight yet, like me. But anyway, he's got the lift strap. He's got that. We also got this one from B&A Cycle Center. And we also got pretty much everything from here. That's not good. Tanner, you forgot to turn your bike off. Your bike was on the whole time. Well, that ain't good. Never leave your bike on, people. It's very bad for your motor. Just gonna check if mine's on right quick. Yeah, I'll make sure to take care of mine. I'll talk to you in a second. And yeah, same thing. B&A Cycle Center at the back. You left your motor on. Anyway, you got the bike CR70, just like mine. It's a 2008 model though. Mine's is 2007. That's why they don't look exactly the same, but they're pretty the same in my book. Yeah, these are our vehicles. We love them, and they're very good. And see you guys in the next video.